buddy. There, go get it. Get it. Get it. Because that current is just taking that bread. And
Yeah.
get the baby. Get it, baby. They might not eat the bread. They might get regurgitated.
Oh, that would have been cool if I could have got that.
Yeah. That's cool that we get the... Well, you didn't get the babies, but it's cool that they're there. How about these birds up here on land that are sitting there staring at us right here? Yeah, these guys are right up here on land. Oh, that would have been good.
I got it.
Did you?
Yeah. And as soon as this thing tries to focus, it's just blown out.
They're just letting that bread just float on down. Low on bread, we got like 5 pieces left.
Man, that's what I want to capture.
Well, the babies have a piece of bread floating right by them, and they don't even do anything. They're just like, let it go.
Might be too young.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Maybe look at him. He's like, oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Get it. You're welcome. Here, somebody.
Yeah.
Thank you. You took 2 pieces of bread and that's it? Or 2 bites? Sorry, I was just trying to get him. And those babies are like, I can't keep up, I can't get you. Come on guys, get over here. Letting the bread float away. Oh, that was bad. Oh, okay, this is the last piece. I'm just going to hook it out there. That wasn't very good. I'm trying to throw it as hard as I can, but that wind catches it and then it just turns it. Don't want them getting in the middle.
Yeah, when I let that try to autofocus, it's just a big blur. It will not lock onto it.
Huh.